What if I told you that skipping meals could actually help your body burn fat, improve energy, and even support a longer life? Sounds strange, right? Because for years we were told to eat every few hours. But what if the real problem is that we never give our body a break from food? Let's make this simple. Right now, millions of people are trying intermittent fasting. Celebrities talk about it. Fitness coaches recommend it. Your friend probably tried it and lost weight. But here's the truth most beginners don't realize: intermittent fasting is not magic. And if you do it the wrong way, it can actually make you feel tired, cranky, and hungrier than ever. So before you skip your next meal, you need to understand what's really happening inside your body. Here's the problem. Most people wake up and eat immediately. Then they snack. Then lunch. Then tea time snacks. Then dinner. Maybe even dessert. Your body stays busy digesting food almost all day long. Imagine running a washing machine non-stop without ever turning it off. Eventually, it overheats. Your body works the same way. It needs small periods of rest to repair itself. And this is where intermittent fasting comes in. But wait, quick question. Have you ever noticed that when you eat late at night, you wake up feeling heavy? Maybe bloated? Maybe not very hungry in the morning? That is your body asking for a longer break. Now let's understand the science. Don't worry, we'll keep it very easy. When you eat, your body uses that food for energy first. Any extra gets stored as fat. But when you stop eating for several hours, something amazing happens. Your body looks around and says, "No new food? Okay. Let me use the stored fat." This switch usually starts around 10 to 12 hours after your last meal. Think of your body like a hybrid car. It runs on fuel from food, but when that fuel runs low, it smoothly switches to stored fat. Most people don't know this. Your body is actually designed to handle short periods without food. Thousands of years ago, humans didn't have refrigerators or food delivery apps. Eating all day is a very modern habit. Now here's a small pattern interrupt, because this surprises almost everyone. Feeling hungry does not always mean your body needs food. Sometimes it just means your body is used to eating at that time. Hunger is often a habit, not an emergency. Let's bust a huge myth right now. Myth number 1: if I skip meals, my metabolism will shut down. Nope. Short fasts actually help your body become more efficient at using energy. Your metabolism does not crash after missing one meal. That usually happens only with extreme, long-term starvation, which is not what intermittent fasting is. Here's another myth that confuses beginners. Myth number 2: intermittent fasting means starving yourself. Absolutely not. You still eat enough food. You just eat within a smaller time window. For example, one of the easiest methods is called the 12 to 12 method. You eat within a 12-hour window and fast for 12 hours. Finish dinner at 8 p.m., eat breakfast at 8 a.m. See? You already fasted, you just didn't call it that. Once your body gets comfortable, many people move to a 14-hour or 16-hour fast. But there is no rush. Slow is smart. Now let me ask you something important. Are you always tired even after sleeping? Do you feel random cravings? Is your weight slowly creeping up even though you don't eat that much? Do you get that afternoon energy crash? These can be signs that your body never gets enough time to reset. And when this pattern continues for years, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar. That makes fat loss harder. Energy drops. Cravings increase. And your body starts storing more fat instead of burning it. But here's the good news. The solution is simpler than you think. Start small. Tonight, try finishing dinner just a little earlier. Even moving it 30 minutes ahead helps. Then avoid late night snacking. Your future self will thank you. Next, during your fasting window, stick to 0-calorie drinks. Water is best. You can also have plain black coffee or unsweetened tea if it suits you. But be careful, adding sugar, honey, or flavored creamers quietly breaks the fast. Yes, even that tiny spoon of sugar counts. Pattern interrupt, listen closely, because beginners often get this wrong. Intermittent fasting is not permission to eat junk food. If you fast all day and then eat ultra-processed food, your body still struggles. Focus on simple meals, vegetables, protein, healthy fats, whole foods. You don't need perfection. Just aim for better choices most days. Here's another insight most people don't know. The biggest benefit of intermittent fasting is not just weight loss. It's metabolic flexibility, a fancy way of saying your body becomes better at switching between food energy and stored fat. That means more stable energy, fewer crashes, and often clearer thinking. Now let me give you a few pro tips that can make fasting dramatically easier. First, break your fast gently. Don't attack your plate like you haven't eaten in weeks. Start with a balanced meal. Eating too fast can cause bloating. Second, prioritize protein in your first meal. It keeps you full longer and prevents overeating later. Third, sleep matters more than you think. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones, making fasting feel twice as hard. And one surprising tip, if you feel very hungry, drink a big glass of water and wait 10 minutes. Many times, it's just thirst. Now, a gentle reminder. Intermittent fasting is a tool, not a rule book. If you are pregnant, underweight, dealing with medical conditions, or on medication, always talk to a healthcare professional before making big changes. Also, women may sometimes prefer slightly shorter fasting windows. Always listen to your body. There is no prize for suffering. The goal is consistency, not extremes. Imagine this, you wake up feeling lighter. Your energy is steady. Cravings don't control your day. Food becomes something you enjoy, not something you constantly think about. That's what happens when your body finally gets a rhythm. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Even practicing intermittent fasting a few days a week can make a difference over time. Your body is incredibly smart. Once you stop overwhelming it with constant eating, it knows exactly how to repair, rebalance, and restore. So start simple. Start calm. Start today. Because small habits, repeated daily, create big health changes. If this video helped you understand intermittent fasting in a simple way, make sure you subscribe for more easy, science-backed health tips. And if you want to know the biggest mistake people make while trying to lose belly fat, watch the next video, it might save you months of frustration. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice.